If you're looking for ways to reduce no-shows in your business and make sure you're not wasting time, CrankWheel Instant Screen Sharing is a tool you should consider. By simplifying the process of showing potential clients your product or service, CrankWheel can help you increase conversions and reduce the chances of no-shows. Stay with me because, by the end of this video, I'll not only give you the lowdown on CrankWheel, but I'll also introduce a couple of solid alternatives that may better suit your needs, all with exclusive free trials. So let's dive straight into it. CrankWheel's instant screen sharing is designed to help you connect with your customers quickly and easily. First, it allows you to share your screen without any downloads or complicated setup. This means your clients can join the call in seconds, which is crucial for reducing no-shows. It's simple, send a link, and they can access your screen with just a click. Next thing to consider, CrankWheel integrates with your CRM and calendar system. This makes scheduling and managing follow-up super easy. Automation is key here because it ensures that you don't forget to follow up or accidentally schedule a call without a reminder. By eliminating human error in scheduling, CrankWheel cuts down the chances of missed meetings. The third thing is its flexible screen sharing options. You can share your entire screen or just a specific window. This level of flexibility is really handy when you're showing clients only relevant information, ensuring they stay engaged and don't get distracted by other parts of your screen. Plus, it's faster than traditional screen sharing tools that require downloads, further preventing delays that can lead to no-shows. Now, here's a potential downside. While CrankWheel is fantastic for reducing friction in the meeting process, it doesn't have some of the deeper integrations that some competitors offer, especially when it comes to advanced analytics or more robust customer engagement tools. If you're looking for advanced reporting features to track engagement, CrankWheel may not be the best fit. Which brings me to the next thing. Let's talk about alternatives. While CrankWheel does a great job reducing no-shows with its simplicity and ease of use, tools like Zoom and Microsoft Teams offer more comprehensive solutions, especially if you're working in larger teams or need more powerful collaboration tools. These tools have their own challenges, though Zoom, for example, requires more setup and Teams can feel bloated with unnecessary features if all you need is screen sharing. The fourth thing is that if you're still seeing no-shows despite these tools, it's time to consider more aggressive automation tools like Calendly or Acuity scheduling. These tools allow you to automate reminders and follow-ups for appointments, which helps keep customers accountable. Integrating CrankWheel with these scheduling tools is an excellent combo, but be sure to check if the integration is seamless enough for your workflow. Finally, here's what makes CrankWheel stand out: its simplicity. It's perfect for businesses that need quick, no-frills screen sharing without the hassle of complicated setups. That said, if you're running a high-volume operation with advanced needs, you might need something with more features than CrankWheel offers. Now, before I wrap up, remember that you can get an exclusive extended free trial for CrankWheel through the link in the description below. But if you're curious about those alternatives I mentioned, you'll find some incredible offers with free trials that also help you reduce no-shows and improve your client engagement. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and some exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. So make sure to check that out. Don't forget to explore all the options, find what fits your needs best, and start reducing those no-shows today.